Hey there, welcome back to Smarthome. Today, we're tackling a common issue that many Disney Plus users face, the dreaded Disney Plus not working on smart TV problem. If you're experiencing this frustration, don't worry, we've got you covered with some easy fixes. 1. Before we dive in, make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes, a weak connection can cause streaming issues. Once you've checked that, let's move on to some troubleshooting steps. 2. First, try restarting the Disney Plus app. Simply navigate to the app, press the menu button on your remote, and select Close or Quit. Then, reopen the app and see if that resolves the issue. 3. If that doesn't work, let's try power cycling your smart TV. Turn off the TV and unplug it from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This can often reset any glitches causing the problem. 4. Another thing to check is your TV's firmware and the Disney Plus app itself. Make sure both are updated to the latest versions. Outdated software can sometimes lead to compatibility issues. 5. If all else fails, try accessing Disney Plus from a different device, like your smartphone or tablet. If it works there, then the issue may be specific to your smart TV. You can also try contacting Disney Plus support for further assistance. Conclusion. And there you have it. Hopefully, one of these solutions helped you get Disney Plus back up and running on your smart TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.